trying to get things done, nothing is more frustrating than working where it's hard to reach or where you can't see. Till now, meet the cordless FlipOut, an incredible power driver. It's compact to get into tight spaces other drivers can't, yet drives with the same power and torque as much larger tools. But here's the real magic. With FlipOut, you'll always come at your work from just the right angle. FlipOut delivers torque and power using a design based on industrial robots. There are 3 pivoting joints. The top one pivots to reach into tight spots. The middle joint lets you reach around or over. And the third joint gives you all this flexibility with 360 degrees of rotation. The result? FlipOut locks into over 380 positions, giving you power in tight spots, power in hard-to-reach spots, power where you need it. FlipOut gets the job done. Use a drill driver at the wrong angle and you'll quickly strip screws. But FlipOut adjusts to drive screws straight on. And with the drill driver, you just don't have control for RTA furniture. A FlipOut's variable speed switch gives you the touch you need to assemble furniture quickly. FlipOut runs on a built-in 8-volt max lithium-ion battery. And you can fully recharge it in just 45 minutes. And even if it sits for a full year, FlipOut still holds its charge. And maybe the best thing about the FlipOut is it only weighs 1 pound. So whether you're working in hard-to-reach places on electrical or plumbing, or just need a powerful driver around the house, FlipOut is a tool for you.
Make any place your workspace with the Kreg track horse. This sturdy, versatile, and portable work support makes it easy to set up a workspace anywhere and then store it compactly away when not in use. The steel and aluminum track horse is packed with features that take it beyond the capabilities of an ordinary sawhorse to provide solid support for a variety of DIY and woodworking tasks. Those features start with sturdy, adjustable legs. They fold out and lock in place securely and can be set at 6 working heights to match your needs and your tasks. The legs also fold completely away, which allows you to set up a handy ground-level work platform. With the legs folded, the track horse is also easy to transport to wherever you want to work. Built-in dual-mode clamping adds even more versatility. With the included Kreg bench clamp, you can hold items in place in the long track, or place the clamp in either end of the track horse for secure vise-style clamping. And thanks to Kreg's AutoMax auto-adjusting technology, you never have to readjust the clamp when you move from one material thickness to another. In addition to holding the clamp, the track can also be used to mount a sacrificial cutting surface on top of the track horse. Simply attach the included bushings to a 2x4 and then slide it into the track. Now you can cut without worrying about damaging the track horse or your saw. When you want more room to work, you'll appreciate how easy it is to create an expanded workspace. Pair 2 track horses together using the included support brackets and ordinary 2x4s, and you can create a large cutting platform that will support long boards and heavy plywood sheets easily, so you can cut safely and more accurately. Or reposition the brackets and 2x4s, and you can span between 2 track horses with 3/4 inch plywood to create an extra large work table with built-in clamping. That means you can create a big workbench, and a sturdy one that can hold up to 2,200 pounds. The track horse also pairs with the Kreg Mobile Project Center in the same ways to give you even more options for creating a sturdy and versatile project workspace that's packed with features. Visit us online at craigtool.com and learn more about the track horse, as well as our other Kreg workspace solutions, so you can create every project with confidence.